In this session, we will be working with the sheet set. Most of the real-world projects require multiple drawing sheets, sometimes running into hundreds. Cross-referencing between the multiple drawing sheets of the project is very time-consuming process. Also, plotting, publishing, and opening multiple drawing sheets of the project require considerable amount of time. To manage multiple drawing sheets of the project easily and effectively and efficiently, Autocad provides the sheet set feature. Now, let's dive in. We will understand the sheet set by creating the example sheet set. To do so, click on the Sheet Set Manager tool in the Palette panel of the View tab in the ribbon. Alternatively, you can type Sheet Set in the command line window and press Enter to evoke the Sheet Set Manager. In the Sheet Set Manager palette, ensure that Sheet List tab is active. Next, click on the down arrow next to the Open button in the Sheet Set Manager. A drop-down list appears. In this drop-down list, click on the New Sheet Set option. Create a Sheet Set dialog box appears with the Begin page. At the Begin page of the Create Sheet Set dialog box, ensure an example sheet set radio button is selected. Next, click on the Next button in the dialog box. The sheet set example page of the Create Sheet dialog box appears. Select the sheet set to use as the example radio button is selected by default. As a result, the list of all available sample sheet set is displayed below this radio button. Select the required example. You can also select the sheet set that is in different location and not available in the list of example sheet set. To do so, select the Browse to another sheet set or use as an example radio button in the sheet set example page of the dialog box, and then click on the Browse button. The Browse for Sheet Set dialog box appears. In this dialog box, browse to the location where the required sheet set is saved and select it. Next, click on the Open button. After selecting the required example sheet set for creating the new sheet set on this page, click on the Next button. The sheet set detail page of the dialog box appears. On this page, enter the name of the sheet set, description, and location to save the file by using the name of new sheet set, description, and store sheet set data file .dst. Next, click on the Next button. The Confirm page of the dialog box appears. This page displays the structure of sheet set and detail of the sheet set properties. Review all the sheet set properties and then click on the Finish button. A new sheet set gets created with the specified properties and is displayed in the Sheet Set Manager palette. Now you can add multiple drawing sheet in different subset of newly created sheet set and then create drawing in it. To add a new drawing sheet in subset, right click on the subset and then click on the New Sheet option in the shortcut menu that appears. The New Sheet window appears. In this window, specify the sheet number, title, and file name, and then click on the OK button. A new drawing sheet gets added and displayed under the selected subset. Similarly, you can add multiple drawing sheets under different subsets. You can also add new subset to main sheet set. Next, we have creating an existing drawing sheet set. An existing drawing sheet set is created by using the existing drawing of the project. To create a sheet set by using existing drawing, evoke the sheet set manager palette and then click on the down arrow next to the open button. A drop-down list appears. In this drop-down list, click on the new sheet set option. In the begin page of the create sheet set dialog box, select the existing drawing radio button and then click on the next button. The sheet set detail page of the dialog box appears. On this page, enter the sheet set details such as name, description, and location to save the file. Next, click on the next button. The choose layout page of the dialog box appears. Click on the browse button on this page. The browse folder window appears. In this window, browse to the folder in which the drawing file to be added to the sheet set are saved, and then select it. Next, click on the OK button. All the drawing file of the selected folder with their initial layout are listed in the box available on the Choose Layout page. You can browse multiple folders one by one to add the drawing files. Note: the drawing file and their first layout listed in the box of Choose Layout page have tick mark in front of them. You can uncheck the drawing file and layout which you don't want to include in sheet set. After selecting the drawing file and layout to be included in sheet set, click on the next button. The confirm page of the dialog box appears. This page displays the information about the layout included in the sheet set. Next, click on the Finish button. A sheet set is created by using existing drawing file and is displayed in the Sheet Set Manager palette. And this was all about creating the sheet set. In Autocad, you can also create the cloud sheet set by using a cloud example sheet set radio button of the Create Sheet Set dialog box. A cloud sheet set uses an existing sample sheet set with default setting to create a new cloud sheet set in well-organized structure. The method for creating the new cloud sheet set is same as creating an example sheet set, with the only difference being that the cloud sheet set is created on the cloud.